This video is for students at Grant County Middle School who are in the 6th grade in Mr. Camacho's class, and this one is for Unit 8, Learning Target 3, which covers Southwest Asia and the Nile. Learning Target 3 is described as geology, geography, and the distribution of oil in the Middle East. In this particular theme, we did a lot regarding this. We wrote a little booklet called The Story of Oil, or we wrote the story of oil for a first grader. And so you're going to use the knowledge from that assignment to really help you out on this particular learning target. The first thing to bring up would be how oil is formed, and it requires two major forces from Earth. One would be heat from the Earth's core. The other one would be pressure from the surface and the rocks above the oil. Those combined, along with chemical changes, are what creates oil over a process that takes millions of years. Because the process takes so long, that makes oil to be considered a non-renewable resource. Also, you need to know that oil is not distributed evenly among the countries in Southwest Asia. Some countries have lots of oil, like Saudi Arabia. In Kuwait has lots of oil despite its small size. Other countries don't have much oil, like Yemen or Bahrain. So it's not distributed very evenly, and for that reason, oil has improved the life of some, but not all in the region. The people in Bahrain have actually improved their quality of life, mostly because Bahrain focuses a lot on the processing of oil, and their government has done a really good job about sharing the wealth, whereas other governments like Iraq, they've not shared the wealth of their oil, and they've used it on military spending and fighting wars with their neighbors over time. Countries like Yemen don't have a whole lot of oil reserves, and because of this, they don't have a lot of wealth to share around. All in all, though, for the whole entire region, oil has made a large impact. One of the major effects is its increased life expectancy for an average of 15 years in each country, and makes you wonder the question, what is 15 years worth to you? So that's a pretty big deal. And then also, one thing oil has done is it's lowered the infant mortality rate in the region, which means fewer babies are dying before they reach the age of 1, which is a very good thing, because that means that your healthcare system is much improved over what it has been in the past. So those are your major thoughts for this particular learning target. Basically, you also need to know that there's a list of countries that are major oil consumers. Make sure you know which ones are in OPEC and which ones are not. That's going to be an issue in another learning target that will be covered. But there are a lot of countries that import oil, and they produce and use billions of barrels of oil a day. It is a product that is necessary for us in our energy consumptions all across the globe. So that should cover you for this learning target. Good luck.